Lists of metalloids. This is a list of sources that each list metalloids, elements classified as metalloids. The sources are listed in chronological order. Lists of metalloids differ since there is no rigorous definition of metalloid. Individual lists share common ground, with variations occurring at the margins. The elements most often regarded as metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium. Wikipedia generally categorizes these 6 as metalloids, with the addition of astatine. Other sources may subtract from this list or add a varying number of other elements. This table shows which elements are included in each of 194 different lists of metalloids. A parenthesized symbol indicates an element whose inclusion in a particular metalloid list is qualified in some way by the author. The citations rows show how many and what percentage of the authorities consider each element to be a metalloid, with qualified citations counted as 1/2. There is an average of 7.15 elements per metalloid list. Elements cited in the listed sources have appearance frequencies that occur in clusters of comparable values. The diamonds in the graph mark the mean appearance frequency of each cluster. Cluster 1 equals B, Si, Ge, as, Sb, Te, Cluster 2 equals Po, Et, Cluster 3 equals Sc, Cluster 4 equals C, Al, Cluster 5 equals B, P, Bi, Cluster 6 equals Sn, and Cluster 7 equals H, Ga, S, I, Pb, Fl, Mc, Lv, Ts. The resulting geometric trend line has the formula y equals 199.47 e 0.7423x and an R2 value of 0.9962. The elements commonly classified as metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium. The status of polonium and astatine is not settled. Most authors recognize one or the other, or both, as metalloids. Herman, Hoffman, and Ashcroft, on the basis of relativistic modeling, predict astatine will be a monatomic metal. One or more of carbon, aluminium, phosphorus, selenium, tin, or bismuth, these being periodic table neighbors of the elements commonly classified as metalloids, are sometimes recognized as metalloids. Selenium, in particular, is commonly designated as a metalloid in environmental chemistry on account of similarities in its aquatic chemistry with that of arsenic and antimony. There are fewer references to beryllium, in spite of its periodic table position adjoining the dividing line between metals and nonmetals. Isolated references in the literature can also be found to the categorization of other elements as metalloids. These elements include hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, zinc, gallium, iodine, lead, and radon.